Soft and gentle on baby's skin. Essential for on-the-go or cuddling at home. Makes for a great baby shower gift. Machine washable for fuss-free maintenance. Your little bundle of joy is sure to love this elephant security blanket. Our soft cuddly companion is made with cozy plush gray fabric to help your baby stay calm and content. Measuring 14 in x 13 in, this blanket is easy to hold onto or carry around for babies and as they grow into toddlers. An essential for nap and bedtime, car rides, playtime, on the go and beyond. The elephant security blanket will be a fun and favorite safari animal to snuggle.